Hello, this is Teacher Ace. Welcome to our online learning. Are you ready now to learn? We have a very exciting topic for today. Our lesson is about recycling. Again, recycling. So in this lesson, we will be learning the materials that can be recycled and how to recycle materials. So let's define first recycling. What is recycling? And why is it important to all of us? So the definition is to recycle, to treat or process used materials or waste so we can use these materials again. This also stops us from wasting useful materials. Recycling is important because it reduces the number of fresh raw materials we use. It reduces the amount of energy we use. It reduces air pollution. It reduces water pollution, and it lowers the amount of greenhouse gases. So each ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. Did you know that during your lifetime, you will produce so much trash that it will weigh 600 times as much as you? This would fill many trucks. Here are some examples of recycling. Reusing plastic bags when you go to the supermarket. Recycling paper so it can be processed and used again. Melting food cans made from steel and making them into new food cans. Instead of throwing away uneaten food, you can compost it. What is compost? Compost is an earth-like material. It forms when organic materials biodegrade, are broken down by worms and bacteria. Compost is great to use in your garden. It returns nutrients to the soil and help your plants to grow. What do you think we can recycle? We can recycle compost, metals, glass, plastics, and paper. Here are some examples of things that we can recycle. Plastic drink bottles, chipboard, newspaper, corrugated cardboard, glass, bottles, metal, food and beverage cans, magazines, white paper and direct mail, plastic, aluminum, glass, paper, and trash. What can we not recycle? So these are the materials that cannot be recycled. Please do not place these items on your yellow bin. We have here some plastic cellophanes, computers, broken glasses, broken vases, unused hose, old telephones, and used oil. These are the things that cannot be recycled. You can help by learning about and practicing the 3 R's of waste management, and that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce or reduction is to make something smaller or use less. The result is a smaller amount of waste. How can we do it? Only buy what you need and use everything that you buy. Buy products that don't have much plastic packaging and buy things like recycled paper. Use reusable bags at supermarkets. Reuse. You can reuse materials in their original form instead of throwing them away. You can also give materials to others who could use them after you. So how are you going to reuse? Use washable cups or travel mags. When you use things like plastic cups, plates, and plastic food storage bags, don't throw them away. Wash and reuse them. Recycle. Remember the things you use every day that you can recycle. So we have here aluminum cans, cardboard, electronics, glass, metal, newspaper, paper, plastic bottles, and steel cans. How are materials recycled? Materials are either brought to a center that collects recycled materials, or they are picked up from recycling bins that are on the streets. The materials are then sorted, cleaned, and processed into a new materials. So that is our lesson about recycling. I hope you have learned something from our lesson today. You may now get your worksheets and answer your worksheets. Thank you for watching. See you again for the next science lesson. Bye!